Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing a very different video, something I've never posted before, and it is how to dye my hair extensions. And now you guys know I'm very copperish, very orangey right now. I love the foxy look. So in order to get more hair, more volume on my hair, I need more extensions. So I had these old hair extensions. And to begin this tutorial, I am going to be using the L'Oreal High Colors hair dye. And this is in Sizzling Copper, and it's perfect for dark hair. Now, I'm not sure how it's going to turn out on the blonde hair, but this is all I have right now. And I'm going to be mixing it with the C74 from L'Oreal, which is the hair dye that I use for my hair. So these are the only two things that I'll be using. I'm also going to be getting a bowl because I am going to be bleaching my own roots because they're very, very dark. So this is all about hair right now. So starting with my C74 L'Oreal color, I'm going to start mixing all the colors together, all the steps on the hair dye box together, and I'm going to shake it up with about 2-3 minutes for the color to, start just blend it out together. And I'm going to go ahead and start applying it on my hair extensions first to see how it turns out. Now, this is the first time that I'm dyeing hair extensions. I wasn't sure if they needed to be bleached first or whatnot, so I don't know how it's going to turn out, but here it goes. Okay, well, so far I've used one bottle, and as you guys can see, it already changed color and it looks very pretty. It's not a very vivid orange. The dark hair Sizzling Copper dyed the color down, so which is great because it is very, very vivid if you only use the C74. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my own hair. It looks horrible. I haven't dyed it in about 2 or 3 months, and this is what it looks like right now. Because my roots are very dark, it is a virgin hair, it needs to be bleached. Now, I did try putting only the color and it lifted my hair very little, but I do want an even color from scalp to end. So I am going to be using a 40 developer, and I'm going to be using the bleach. I know it's a 40, it's very high, but I'm only going to be putting the bleach on my hair for about 10 minutes. Okay, so beforehand, I do want to apologize because I lost a lot of footage. I was only able to get this video back of the final result. I literally lost the process of me blow drying the hair, the bleach process on my scalp, but it turned out beautifully. I know some of you might come after me on the comments for the 40 developer, but I do have a lot of hair. I do let it grow out a few inches, and for me, I don't have a sensitive scalp, so it turned out just well for me. All these pictures, I am using the hair extensions that I colored. The color turned out so beautiful. As you guys can see, they blend out very nice with my natural hair color. So the hair extensions don't need to be bleached if they're blonde. And I'm just really happy to be able to share a little bit of the process with you guys. Please drop your comments down below. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys again on my next video. Bye-bye.